Hey bro, heard you got the new Note 10 Plus. How you like it? Is it dope?
You talking about the Note 10 Plus? Talking about the one that just came out? Yeah, I got it. What's up with it? Let me guess. You want to know if it's better than your OnePlus 7 Pro, don't you? Kinda saw this coming. Been expecting you. So, what questions do you have for me?
Oh, well, yeah, kind of. It's the whole reason I walked in here to ask you about it. I mean, how this isn't normally how this goes. Normally, I ask you questions, you frustrate me, I attack you. So, what's this whole nice guy thing you got going on? And when did you get a guitar? Because I don't remember a guitar being in here the last time. As a matter of fact, where did this extra door come from? Like, I mean, what? I'm confused. What's your game? I'm on. Swear, if you playing with me right now, I swear to Moses, if you playing with me, you know what's going down. You know what's going down. You already know what's going down.
First thing that you need to understand is this. It doesn't matter how I got this guitar. All that matters is that I have it. The second thing that you need to understand is this. The Note 10 Plus is way better than the OnePlus 7 Pro. Night and day. That's the second thing you need to understand. The third thing I'm going to need for you to understand is this. You've been playing this game for too long. I know your moves. I know how to defeat you. And you will not beat me again. You will not torment me in my own house again. It's not going down like that. And I just realized this speaker has been off the whole time, but it's okay. I know somewhat of what I'm doing. Now, let's talk about that weapon in your hand, shall we? I think it's time for you to go ahead and give that up. I'll be taking that from you right now. What do you mean you'll be taking this from me? You won't take this from me. I said I'd be taking that from you right now. Now, let's go ahead and get this safety off, shall we? So, you want to talk about your mighty OnePlus 7 Pro. You're probably wondering how I got this from you too, aren't you? I know you are. It's okay. So you want to talk about your OnePlus 7 Pro versus the Note 10 Plus. Well, I'm going to put it to you like this. Refresh rate be damned. It's a great phone. It's an awesome phone. I think it beats the OnePlus 7 Pro in specs and feature-wise. However, don't think it beats it price-wise. So I'm willing to talk to you about this if you want to talk about it sensibly. Okay? And please, don't go grab the other gun, because it's not gonna end well for you if you try to get the other gun. Wait, how did you even get my OnePlus in your hands? What? Dude, what? And what do you mean don't grab the other gun? You're not gonna intimidate me. I run you, okay? I run you since that OnePlus 7 Pro. I have run you since that Axon M. I run you. You don't tell me what I can and cannot go get. You don't tell me what the hell? I figured you were gonna have to learn the hard way. Like I said, I told you not to go get the gun because it would end bad for you. Now, here's how this is gonna go. We're gonna shorten this real quick because I'm not gonna do this with you today. Okay? No. I've had a great day. Had a great week. Not gonna let you do this to me on Thursday. Alright? The OnePlus 7 Pro is a great phone, but the Note 10 Plus is just better. Here's why. Ready? Flash rundown. Better battery, better screen, SD card support, S Pen. Did I say better screen? I did say better screen. More storage. And just, it's a Note. It's a Note. Like, matter of fact, can we just agree, you know what? Can we just agree to disagree that different devices can be for different people? Why does it have to be that the OnePlus 7 Pro has to be the best Android phone out? Why can't it just be that I like the Note Plus and you like the OnePlus? The Note 10 Plus? The Note 10 Plus? The Note 10 Plus. You know what I was trying to say. Don't give me that look. But why can't it just be that? Now, the reason I have your guns is because I'm tired of the violence, okay? I'm tired of the violence. Now, if anybody's getting shot today, it's not gonna be me. It's gonna be you, okay? Okay? Make sure we understand that. So, you got any more questions about the Note 10 before I continue to go deeper into the dive of what I think about the Note 10 Plus? Because
you might actually be surprised at what I'm about to say if you would take a couple seconds and take a step back. Okay? Okay. Alright. So, guns up. I'll put the guns down. We're going to talk about this, okay? We're going to talk about this like two civilized adults. Okay?
Alright. Yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you. I mean, I see where you're coming from, I guess. I don't know.
It ain't like you finna say something off the wall like the S10 Plus is better than the Note 10 Plus. I mean, that would be ridiculous if you were getting ready to say something like that. You.
Well, actually,
I am saying that. You see, the thing is this. I can't justify telling someone to go spend $1,200 on a Note 10 Plus when they're only getting 4 more gigs of RAM than an S10 Plus, but they're still getting the same storage if they get the ceramic edition, which to me is a better build. They get a headphone jack, and I just don't see a difference in the cameras like that. Sure, you get the live focus video and a few things here and there, but it just doesn't stand out as that big of a difference to me to warrant getting the Note 10 Plus over the S10 Plus. Plus, aside from the S Pen, this is the first year that I feel like the Note 10 is lagging behind the S10 Plus. I mean, if we're really going to be honest about it, the Note 10 Plus is the phone that you have to try to like. Okay? You know, I mean, first and foremost, let me take this case off that was sent over to me by the good folks at Rinky Tech. Button placement on the left-hand side? I mean, sure, my finger wraps around it and gets used to it real quick, but really? That makes no sense. Makes no sense. Everybody was complaining about the button being too high on the right side of the S10, and Samsung just said, hold my beer, and put it on the left side instead. What sense does that make? None! How is this the phone geared towards creators, and it doesn't even have a damn headphone jack? Now, some of you out there might say, yourself included, some of you might say, but it's, oh, the headphone jack is dead. Go wireless. Go wireless. But how am I supposed to plug up my headphones or my microphone that I use to record if there's no headphone jack, let alone no included dongle in the box? I'm sorry, did somebody say Apple? Did somebody say Apple? I'm just saying, man. This is the first year that I feel like I think the S10 Plus is Samsung's best phone that they've come up with as far as the flagship line this year. And if it was me and it was my money, which it is, I would not tell someone to buy the Note 10 over the S10 Plus unless they know for a fact that they're going to use that S Pen. Otherwise, don't do it, people. Don't do it. So, what do you have to say to that? Shall this end in violence like it normally does? Or shall we agree to disagree on this one? Your move.
Hey, man. On God, son, you had me at they took the headphone jack away. I'm straight. Like, I'm all the way straight. How you gonna call it a Note, but it ain't got no headphone jack? How is it supposed to be geared towards creators, but it ain't got no headphone jack? I mean, from what I've seen, the doggone thing to edit the video in the phone isn't even that good. You know, it's just another classic example of Android being good to an extent, but you have to sideload different apps to make it what it could be. Whereas on iOS now, you got a whole different ballgame. But I'm gonna save that for another video because that's not what me and you were talking about today. So, hey, no violence over here. We're good. I think everything's copacetic. All right. But you best believe when that OnePlus 7T come out, me and you gonna have something to talk about. You feel me, homeboy? You feel me? Yeah. You know what? I was hoping you was gonna come back on that bull. I've been waiting to do this since May when you had to be on that bill with that OnePlus. What's good?